Hello everybody, welcome to Desilicious kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make soft and spongy idlis by grinding batter in a mixer. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icon for notifications. We have taken 3 cups idli rice, 3/4 cup lightweight poha or beaten rice and 1 cup split black gram or white urad dal. First let us begin by washing the rice. So we have washed the idli rice well and soaked it in water for 6 hours. You need to soak it in water for at least 4 hours. We soaked it in water for 6 hours. And urad dal, now let us wash and soak the urad dal. But remember, we have to soak it in water for only 1.5 hours before grinding. And next is the turn of the lightweight poha. So we have to soak this in water for just 25 minutes before grinding. Soak it in very little water. It doesn't require much water. And now one very important point to notice: 45 minutes before grinding, we kept the rice and the urad dal in the refrigerator to cool. This is to prevent the mixer jar from heating up. I don't add methi seeds or fenugreek seeds to my idli batter. If you want, you can add 1 teaspoon. The reason I don't add is because it makes the batter slightly yellowish, and I also feel that the idlis turn out slightly sticky when you add methi seeds. So to sum up once again, we have taken 3 cups idli rice, 1 cup white urad dal or split black gram, and 3/4 cup lightweight poha or beaten rice. Now first, let us add in the urad dal or split black gram into the mixer. We have to grind this adding very little water and adding even that little water little by little. In fact, we should sprinkle water while grinding. Now we are done grinding. Can you see those bubbles? That is the indication that the urad batter is well done. This is how our urad dal batter should be, and it should not fall freely. It should fall like this, like balls. It should be thick, but you have to grind it very smooth. This is the perfect consistency for the urad dal batter. Just note how it falls. Now let us keep this aside. We are showing this so that you can see the texture. Now in the same mixer jar, add in the rice after draining the water. So now first we are going to grind the rice along with the soaked poha or beaten rice. And some salt without adding any water. Now we have added in some salt. So at first we are going to grind it as is without adding water. And after grinding like that for the first round, we will be adding cold water little by little. If you add too much water, it is difficult to grind the rice, and also it is difficult for the batter to rise. So this is the consistency of our rice batter. For getting soft idlis, the rice batter should also be grainy, rava-like. It should not be too smooth. If it is too smooth, then you will get slippery idlis. And if the batter is runny or diluted, then you will get flat idlis. Now we are adding in the urad dal batter to this and mixing both the rice and urad dal batters. It is necessary to mix this batter with the hands. There is no shame in doing that. This way the batter will get fermented well. And good fermentation is also necessary for soft idlis. So mix it well like this. Our batter is all ready. Now let us close it with a lid and allow it to ferment undisturbed for at least 12 hours. See, fermentation depends on the weather. Right now in Mumbai, it is cold, it's winter season, so it has to ferment for 12 hours. Now, after 12 hours, we have opened the lid, and as you can see, the batter has risen up. It's well fermented. And it has to be well fermented to make soft idlis. Now let us grease the idli plate with oil. Spread the oil well with your hands. Now let us pour the batter into the slots in the plate. Leave a little space for the idlis to cook. Fill in 3/4 of the slot. Now let us place them inside the idli cooker or steamer. The water is boiling and now we are placing the idli plates inside. Let us cover and cook it for 8 minutes on a high flame. Now after 8 minutes we have switched off the flame. Let us open and see how the idlis are. Wow, soft spongy idlis are ready. Aren't they perfect? They are just the definition of idlis. These idlis stay good even after they turn cool. Even after they have cooled down, they stay very good. We'll be showing how to grind idli batter in a grinder also. But even these idlis in our mixer are no less. Let us break it slowly and show it to you. See the texture? So soft, yet so firm. Now let us serve the idlis. Just look at them. You can have them with moraga pudi or chutney or sambar. Today we are having it with sambar and coconut chutney. This sambar is made with sambar powder. We have given all the recipes in our channel of different kinds of sambar, sambar powder, different types of chutneys to check them out. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe and do try this out. I am sure you all will love it. Follow all the steps that we have shown and you will get perfect idlis like this. Those of you who are new here, if you like this, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And before we go, let us give you one bite of our tasty idli. Bye for now. Take care.